with two AW189. And since then, we have about 154 hours per month, and we have transported more than 10,000 packs people, including the internet transfer during each month. I mean, this is a big achievement. Mr. Ambassador, Excellency, welcome. Dr. Majid, welcome. I will continue. Reaching 100,000 hours safely is not a small achievement. It's a very big thing for in our industry. Whether we are in the office, the hangar floor, during the flight operation, on the ramp, in the vehicle, at height, at confined space, anywhere else you operate, each and every one of you choose to put safety first. That is our NDA. And this achievement does not happen by chance. It happens when every one of you look out for one another, every supervisor set clear expectation, every worker pauses to ask, is this safe to work? And every person speak up for something it doesn't look right. I mean, this is a culture that we have cultivated and we want it to be continued, right? And you did this not for the applause, to ensure that all of you come to work and go back home safely to the family, right? And for all these things, say thank you to all of you, those in Weststar-Gap, those in Timor-Gap, and then our client from Santos for working together, and then the supporting agencies like Anatel, Custom, Immigration, who else did I miss? Kata Halim, siapa lagi? Please Kata Halim. Who else? Siapa? Anatel, Asatel, security. Every one of you, thank you for making this thing possible. We have achieved 100,000 hours, right? So let's target that we achieve 1 million and beyond safely, right? Tansi Azman only make it clear that this is something that we want to stay for a very, very long time in Timor-Leste. As you know, we have a long-term agreement with Timor-Gap, and we have commitment to deliver the program for the localizations, and this is part of our program that we are going to honor. But most importantly, we want this operation to be able to continue safely as usual. All right? So thank you very much. Stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dato' Anwar Nordin, for that inspiring and meaningful address. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my great honor to invite our Group Managing Director, Tan Sri Dr. Syed Azman Syed Ibrahim, to deliver his address.
Your Excellency, Mission Ambassador to Timor-Leste, Captain Halil, Base Manager in Dili, Timor Leste, Tan Sri Nur Azman, Tuan Noh, and Bapa Alex from Timor Gap. Some guests from Timor Gap. Can't remember everybody, but I'd like to welcome all of you here to the event this evening. 100,000 man hours uninterrupted by any accident or whatnot is a great achievement. 100,000 hours is a lot of life. In 1 year, you achieve 100,000 hours is a lot. And very seldom you hear that there's no incident. Even jatuh tangga toilet pun tak ada. Where are the local Timor Gap staff? Are they here? The local Timor Gap staff, please put up your hand. In Malaysia, next week we celebrate Chinese New Year. It's a tradition, Chinese New Year they give angpao. So I thought earlier in the car that Dato' Anwar said we just give to Timor Gap staff. But everyone.
Thank you, Panjang umur.
So I am very hungry, you know. Sejak we landed here, I've not had any food. So I don't say much. Dato' Anwar has said whatever has to be said. But I want to say thank you to all the staff of Weststar-Gap for a very good performance in the first year of operation. And keep up the good work. And hopefully next year we can give you an increment. Company make money, you all also earn more salary. Thank you. And without further ado, pass the mic back to you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Tan Sri, for your inspiring leadership and continued guidance. Congratulations, Weststar-Gap. Distinguished guests, as Tan Sri has said himself, we are hungry. Thus, let's continue to our dinner. And while you enjoy the food, please enjoy the music and the company we have as we continue celebrating this proud achievement together. Bon appetit, everyone.